हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम ये 12th क्लास के लिए एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव चैप्टर 6 शुरू कर रहे हैं। इसमें 12th क्लास में जो चैप्टर 6 है, इसमें लेक्चर नंबर 4, टुडे लेक्चर नंबर 4, other 3 lectures over in that application of derivative and 6.1 exercise up to question 13 has been done. Okay, today now question number 14 onward we have to do rate of change of quantity, application of derivative, everything explained in that. Now question number 14 is in NCERT book, send a pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So here rate of change of volume given centimeter cube per second. So volume, rate of change of volume in respect to the time second. Okay, dV by dt. It means dV by dt is given. What given? dV upon dt, rate of change of its volume. This is given 12 centimeter cube per second. Okay, now after that saying in the question, the following sand form a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always height of the cone let h and radius let x centimeter. So it is given here कि height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius, and so height is equal to 1/6 part of the radius. Okay, like this, sand pouring on the ground like this, कि radius and the height having the relation between that, कि वो जो height उसकी है, ऊंचाई उसकी बनती है, वो radius से 1/6 रहती है. Okay, 1/6 of radius. How fast is the height of the sand? How fast is the height of the sand cone? Sand cone, जो सैंड का बना हुआ कोन है, रेत जो है हम ऐसे डालते हैं ग्राउंड पर, तो उसका एक इस तरह से कोन की शेप बन जाती है. ठीक है, तो वो सैंड जो है वो एक कोनिकल शेप में है. तो इंक्रीजिंग रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ हाइट वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके, व्हेन द हाइट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो नाउ वी नो दिस इज गिवन. ओके बेटा, these things given, we can write here given, here this also given. Okay, so everything is given. Now in that solution, what you have to do, volume of the cone formula. What is the volume of cone formula? 1/3. We know volume of cone 1/3 pi r square. R is here x, so pi r square into h. This is the formula of the volume of the cone, you know. Now differentiate with respect to t. Okay, with respect to t differentiate of this equation. So dv by dt will be equal to, here these two things are there. First convert into one variable with the help of this given relation between height and the radius. So here you put h value, we can put here, so 1/3, put here value of h, pi, h value 1/6x, and this x square as it is, and into 1/6 x. then it is x cube. Now it is x cube. Clear? So now what is this? 6 3 is 18. So we can say it is 1 upon 18, okay, pi x square into x, then x cube. Now differentiate this with respect to t, then 3 into pi constant upon 18 constant, pi upon 18 and 3x square, then 3 into x square power formula, okay, x power n. So 3 minus 1 2, then x power 2, and into chain rule with respect to t we have to find. So that's why by chain rule dx by dt. Okay, now value of dx by dt we have, no, we don't have here. So dv by dt, dx by dt, but dh by dt means we should convert into h form. We have to find dh by dt because here given dv by ठीक है, this is given dv by dt, so we should convert this into h form. Okay beta, we should convert into h form, not into x. So h form means 1 by 3 pi h into x square. X की वैल्यू 6h, x is equal to 6h, तो 6h whole square, x square, this, then this will be 6 square 36, 36 upon 3, 36 upon 3 pi and h square into h, h cube. This. Now differentiate this. This differentiate with respect to t. Then it will be 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, it is 12. 12 3 ja 36, that's why 12, and pi constant, and this 3 h square into 3h square into dh by dt, because with respect to t we are differentiating. Now put value here. So this implies what will come? dv by dt value 12, then this is 12 is equal, here 12 3 ja 36, okay, pi h square into dh upon dt, which we have to find. So dh upon dt we have to find. So 36 pi h square will come in divide. So this will come dh by dt is equal, 36 will come in divide. So 12 3 ja 36. So 3 will come in divide. Then this will come in divide this side. So what will come? These all will come in divide. Then 12 3 ja 36, 1 upon 3 pi h square. This will come this side. Okay, so dh by dt equal to 12 upon 36 pi h square, then 12 3 ja 36. Now put here value. What? When h dh by dt, when h is equal to, given in the book, what is given? When h height is 4 centimeter. So at h is equal to 4 centimeter, we have to find rate of change of height. So this will be equal at h is equal to 4, put here 4, then 1 upon 3 pi into 4 square 16. Okay, then it is 1 upon 16 3 ja 48 pi. This is rate of change, that it is height change than centimeter per second. This is the answer. Okay, so like this we can do. Now next question, 15th. The rate of change of height increasing by this 1 upon 48 pi centimeter per second, this rate change of height. Okay, now question number next 15. The total cost CS in rupees, CS is total cost. So total cost in the form of function vary respect to the x, Cx in rupees associated with the production of x unit. प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर डिपेंड है. x is the production is varying, according to the varying the production cost also vary. So Cx function is given is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. This is your cost function and x is the production. तो प्रोडक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग ही कॉस्ट चेंज हो रही है. ठीक है, इन रुपीज, Cx in rupees. Okay, find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. Marginal cost, and same thing, rate of change of this you have to find marginal cost. ठीक है, तो कॉस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग लेना है. तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x we differentiate it and put the value of x in the end 7 unit. Okay, तो marginal cost is change, तो differentiate, तो marginal cost differentiate it, this will be marginal cost c dash x, then this differentiate, this will be 3 into this constant 0.007 x square, okay, minus 2 into this 0.003 x and plus 15x means 15 with respect to x and plus 0, 4000 derivative 0. Now at marginal cost is the rate of change of this cost, marginal cost, this derivative at, after that we will put, but first multiply 3 7 ja 21, 3 0 ja 0 point x square minus 2 3 ja 6 0.0. This x plus 15 when x is equal to 17. When x value is given 17 at x is equal to 17. Okay, at this marginal cost will be equal to, put here x is 17, so 0.021 x square means 17 square minus 0.006 into 17, okay, value of x, and plus 15. Now simplify this, so this will be equal 17 square 289 okay, then 289 okay into 0.021 minus 17, multiply this 17 6 जा 102, 10 कैरी, तो 10 कैरी में से फिर 17 0 जा 0, देन 0 1 कैरी, देन फिर 1 and then decimal and 0, this and plus 15. Simplify more, then multiply this 289 into 0.21, तो 1 की मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1 9 जा 9, 1 8 जा 8, 1 2 जा 2, फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, 2 9 जा 18, कैरी 1, 2 8 जा 16, 1 17, कैरी 1, and 2 2 जा 4, 1 5. Then it is 9, 8 8 16, carry 1, 7 2 9 1 10, carry 1 5 1 6. This is the product by 21 and decimal here कितने प्लेस पर है, 3 प्लेस, तो 1 2 3 प्लेस this, तो this decimal and minus 0.102 plus 15. Simplify, तो subtract 9 minus 2 7, ठीक, 6 minus 0 6, 0 minus 1 यानी 10 minus 1 9 and carry लिया था, then here 5, तो 5 point this and plus 15, then it will be equal 15 plus 5 20.967. This is in rupees, ठीक है, तो then we should write rupees this answer. तो marginal cost in rupees at 17, ठीक है, in respect to x, ठीक है, तो this is in rupees because this is in rupees, saying कि this is in rupees, cx in rupees. Done. Next question, question number 16. Okay, now question 16 is, see in book, the total revenue in rupees revised from the sale of x units of a product is given by Rx. Same question, similar here, revenue, that was cost function. Okay, find the marginal revenue when x is equal to 7. You can do 16, okay, yourself. Same, similar. Now 17. What is 17? The rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r. रेडियस आर, तो क्या एरिया ऑफ सर्कल। तो नाउ एरिया ऑफ सर्कल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल वी नो पाई आर स्क्वायर इफ रेडियस आर। तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आर व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ इट्स एरिया। तो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, डी ए अपॉन डी आर with respect to radius. Okay, area pi r square with respect to radius, saying respect to its radius. Okay, direct. So what will be with respect to radius, 2 pi r. ठीक है बेटा, differentiate power formula, then put here, what put, value of r is equal to 6, r equal to 6. तो ये पुट किया तो क्या बन गए, r इक्वल टू 6, 2 पाई इंटू 6, तो 6 टू जा 12 पाई, सो दिस इज 12 पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेंटीमीटर, देन एक सेंटीमीटर, इट मीन्स इट इज सेंटीमीटर। तो व्हाट इज दैट, 12 पाई बी पार्ट, तो बी पार्ट इज करेक्ट, बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट इज विच नेक्स्ट 18। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन इज देयर, व्हाट इज 18 क्वेश्चन is the total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x unit of a product। x यूनिट प्रोडक्ट से टोटल सेल हुआ है, रेवेन्यू रुपीज में है। ठीक है, दैट फंक्शन गिवन आर एक्स इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। ऑप्शन क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, बट सॉल्व एंड चेक दैट revenue rx in rupees given by a function rx is equal to 3x square plus 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Okay, this revenue given, the marginal revenue when x is equal to 15. तो marginal value means derivative of this. तो derivative of this with respect to x is equal to 3 to the 6x plus 36, differentiate with respect to x plus 0. Okay, then put at x is equal to 15. तो at x is equal to 15. Okay, this implies that 6 into x value 15 plus 36. Okay, then 15 6 is 90, तो 90 plus 36, तो that 126. This is in rupees, this answer. तो 126 is a D option. Option D is correct. Option D correct. ठीक है, now that over, now you like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.